With the Hosiery Hunter app, once you've got your information, you can just input it and there you go. There's your answer, there's what you need, there's your codes to order the products that you need. Hi, I'm Lizzie Lodge-Knowles, lead general practice nurse at Churchview Surgery, and we're based in Cradley Heath. Came here 2 years ago, decided that I needed a bit of a change, so then stepped into a general practice nurse role. Bit daunting at first, bit of a jack of all trades, master of none, but I've settled now and finding my feet in our little but busy surgery. Compression for me, I touched on it in secondary care, but not at all specialised. Would have got in specialist care in secondary care, of course, but out here, it is you and you're in the thick of it, really. So I describe the Hosiery Hunter app as an excellent tool. It has made my job as a practice nurse so much easier when I'm in clinic. It's easy to use, it's step by step. Once you've got what you need, your information, it guides you through every step of the way to do it. And it's just so easy to use in our clinical time, which I think sometimes is very, very important for us as practice nurses, because we haven't got a lot of time. I find it really easy to use, clear to use, especially with patients. You can guide them through it as well. And once we've got all our information that we need, step by step, putting it in, gives us then, there and then, what we need to order, code for what we need to order. It makes the job for a clinical person very, very easy to use. The app helps me identify the right product, because once I do put in the information, signs and symptoms, follow the easy to use guide, the product code comes up, there it is. I can do it step by step with the patient, guide them through it as well, and then work together to find the correct material and stocking for the medi stocking with them. When I go and do trainings and people are new to the job, new to leg ulcers, I do always encourage them to have a look at the Hosiery Hunter app, to get in touch with medi, because very, very helpful. He will come and talk to us and train us. So that's what I do encourage with it as well, because it did honestly help me when I came into this role as a nervous new practice nurse. It's given me that confidence now. I don't worry when I am seeing a new wound, because I know that once I follow my correct channels as a nurse, but I have got this tool and this guide to use, which can direct me to the correct product to put onto a patient and to ultimately safely heal their wounds for their future.